What's going on, everybody? Brian here. Got another video for you guys. The last video I posted was regarding our shipment of us receiving CD graded Bstock. So a little bit of a rundown on how they grade Bstock. AB grade is usually like, it'll be new in box sometimes, new with tags but not in boxes, or very lightly used, or sometimes I can't even say that it's been used for AB. It's really in good condition, or maybe there's defect on it, right? But again, very minor, and that's what they consider AB. And then CD is usually return items that have been damaged, used. So yeah, like that's usually the difference between AB and CD. However, frustrating part about working with Bstock is that they don't rate everything equally. Like, for me, that's how basic it is, right? So AB is anything that's practically new. That's AB. And then anything that's CD is used or damages. But there's times when we order AB, which I'm gonna find out today because we're getting a shipment, like one or two of them is CDs, and then they include it in the AB. So I don't know why they do that. I don't know why they include CD items in the AB order. Like, if you guys are gonna tag it or categorize it as AB, keep it AB. Don't. I don't know what's the point of throwing in like. I don't know how they missed that. Like there's some people that I feel like they just don't care. Like, they just go to work, clock in, and look at the couch. They probably don't even look at the couch, and they just put whatever. They just keep checking off anything just to get the job done for the day, you know? Not even caring about the proper categorization of the item that came in. Yeah, so that happens all the time. It's not just sometimes, it happens all the time. That's why I hope today is going to be different. I hope today we get AB or AB condition items, and they are all AB, and not a single one is broken, not a single one is used, damaged with scratches. Yeah, and then that's the second part, right? So AB is what they categorize it as, and then CD. So, and then on top of that, now they have the little sheet that they add on there where it says new, right? Or not used, and then lightly used. So that to me is AB, those two categories. But as you guys saw last time, or the last video, they categorize something as lightly used, which should be AB really, but they included it in a CD, but yet it says lightly used, even though it was clearly used heavily with stains, and like, it's just worn down, and it needed a lot of work. Lightly used. This is nasty. Lightly used, bro. That's hella insulting. How could that?
It stayed in one spot.
How could that have been considered lightly used, bro? Who is rating this crap? But yet, whoever looked at it, either they're blind or retarded. They just don't understand how to comprehend what they're seeing in their face. Like, they see a bunch of stains, they see a bunch of wear, and they go, "Oh, this is lightly used." And then there's another person who sees a brand new couch in box, and then they'll say, "Oh yeah, this is worn down." Like, what the heck? Like, I don't get how they do that, but they do. All right, so but it comes with the territory. It is what it is when you're dealing with Bstock. I just wish that they would somehow fix it or improve it. I don't know how or when they're gonna do that. I don't know if they're gonna do that, but as of right now, we just deal with it. So anyways, I'm heading to Santa Ana right now. I'm going to show you guys how this AB is going to be looking. Oh, they're already done. So that is The new shipment of AB. They already got it all out. What's up, you guys? All right, so this is the first one. Looks good so far. What's up, dude? Am I on time or what? This is another leather couch. This doesn't have the same sticker as from the last order, which says what the condition is. So yeah, again, I don't know if that's a new thing that they're implementing and then they're slowly rolling it out in each location, but as of right now I don't see it applied to any of these. So, but just looking at it from the outside, you can already tell right away the condition is a lot better. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's a lot better condition for sure. Let me see here. Here's a return. It says not as expected. So probably even wasn't even used. They just returned it. This right here is supposed to be a set. So I don't know where the other half is. These are Henry Dons. See, as you can see, has tags. Yeah, so far it's looking good. What's up, man?
Yeah. Hola, papi.
All we gotta do is take them off the pallets and then go from there. Oh, here's the other half. I was worried that it was missing, but it's right here. The retail was $4,999. I don't know how much we're gonna be able to really sell that for. This one right here, the brown one. Oh, we have two. So the Luca, I think this is a Luca. If not, one of these it's called a Luca, and the other one is called a Larson for the leather couches. Yeah, we'll see. I'll need to see and check how much we can get this one for. Right now, the retail value on both the brown couches, one is $48.99 and the other one's $37.99, both in brown. So I'm hoping I can list these for over $2,000, but we'll see. This right here is a Kendall Chase. This one we could probably sell for $700, but see, this is exactly what I mean. It says AB, and again, it's supposed to be not used, but as you can see, it's used. Has dog hair everywhere. So I personally would have graded this a CD because it's not an AB quality couch, but it's gonna need cleaning like CD couches, and it's gonna need maybe some repairs because look at this. It needs to be shaved. So this fabric is looking really bad right now. AB, AB grade. AB grade, they include trash with it. Thing has spider webs all over it.
That's how he like.
Dog hair. But it's a CD. This guy, I'm trying to just record something, keeps turning it. Oh shoot, look. See that? That is definitely AB right there. AB spiders. Fudge, man. So annoying, dude. Why they do this. That's why once we get these, we have to break them down, inspect each one so that we can make sure we're gonna know what to do with them, because as of right now, as you saw, it's that one's the first one that one of the first ones that we took out is and not AB. What? All right, ready? Oh, you were not playing. Oh, garbage. Let me put it on the back. Alrighty. So again, AB graded but it's dirty as hell. So that's gonna need some cleaning. That. Like that. Freaking Bstock, man. If you guys want to get into Bstock, be mindful of this crap. This was another couch that we got. I think they're about to take photos of it, but this wasn't from this order, but I believe this was supposed to be AB. But look at it, freaking torn leather. But this was graded. This was an AB order. One of our last orders. This was AB. AB for trash. I remember being so upset at this when I saw it. But it is what it is.
Easily 15.
Mystery boxes, mystery boxes.
Mystery box.
Yeah, it should be, Bstock should be called mystery box. Because you never know what you're gonna get. These Bstock mystery boxes. Bstock mystery pallets. Is it gonna fit?
Look, this is how you carry it.
Incredible Hulk, dude.
He's having a heart attack.
Someone over here. There's someone Incredible Hulking it over here. And then his right after that.
Tell him Steve Austin.
Reason. Member return reason. Not as expected. They thought they were getting a restoration hardware couch. Instead they got a Costco couch, so they returned it. So this is a return, but not used. All right, this is good. This is good. Whatever that means. Whatever that means in this industry anymore.
Okay.
Another mystery box right here.
Another mystery box. This one's called mystery box?
Yeah, mystery box, when you don't know what you're gonna get.
Yeah.
Although this one, we know what we're gonna get, but we don't know the condition that we're getting it in. That's the mystery.
It's a mystery condition.
Mystery condition. But it's AB though. Yeah, I'm still dumbfounded with how they rate this. It is dirty. Just gonna be bringing this one down. Just looking at it. Looks really good. Help them out right quick. Going down this way? Yep. Alrighty then. Nice. Very nice. At least the leather ones are good.
Yeah.
Because man, these are the ones that are expensive. Yeah, this one goes with this one. Perfect, dude. Well, aside. Oh, that's just a. Yeah, steam them up, get it cleaned up. Nice. I'm very, very, very happy with this. It's not trash. Oh, never mind. Maybe I spoke too soon. There's a few scratches. Minor damages, but nothing too crazy at least. Not like this one. AB, baby. That's AB too right here. Huh? Alright. This is Gucci, just dirty. But it's in good. But it's a good couch. Oakland Hills or what?
Huh?
Oakland Hills?
Berkeley, I think?
Oh. Shh. This is probably not a good idea, but the mysterying continues to be mysterying, man. And then this is a Langdon L-shaped sectional. These used to fly for us. This particular couch right here, these used to get sold out pretty quick, but now they sit. I don't know why. And we got them priced pretty well too. I think we sell these for $1,000, between 900 to 1,000, but for some reason it doesn't move. So got that one, and then the last piece that we have is the recliner. Overall, it's a lot better condition, as you can see, than how it comes as a CD, because a CD, these are all dirty also, but dirty to the point where you have to put in a lot of work to bring them back to life. But these, you know, just maybe just a steamer or water and using the extractor will get it all cleaned up, except for the white Henry Dawn that needs a brush. We need to use a deep cleaning on that one. But again, just because it's cream. Overall, still pretty good order. Bought it for 45. Planning to sell it for 12 to 13,000. So yeah, this business is tough, but there's money to be made. All right, see you guys in the next one.